Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's video, we are making something simple and quick. We are making pineapple banana smoothie. So let's get into the video. Into my blender, I will add my frozen banana and pineapple. I'll also add turmeric powder, which is optional, and then add 1 cup of milk. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't hesitate to like this video and also share this video. And after blending, this is our smoothie. This looks so yummy and inviting. It is perfect for breakfast and can also be taken at any time of the day, and it's also good for babies. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel and being part of this wonderful family. To my returning subscribers, you guys are too much, always watching my video, always leaving a comment. I do appreciate your time and your effort. I really do appreciate it a lot, and I wouldn't have been here without your support. So I come your way again. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share this video. Bye.